Kumzalisingani kunithogi August manga da Manipur da National Register of Citizens NRC chana hanna Assembly na pass tau ki warep adu House na amu hanna chetsin-hanbaga loinana Center da thana na warep loukhre Fungya Assembly Constituency ki NPF MLA chetsin na pukhalaki ba private member resolution da state asida NRC gi hana laikhraba resolution adu henna chesilhanduna lamdamasi gi miyam gi aifana ba sanhansi haina House da thamlaki Private member resolution adu Khanabada MLA chetsin Lilong Assembly Constituency MLA Abdul Nasir Minister Awang Bau Niumai Khetrigao Assembly Constituency MLA Nurul Hassan Moirang Assembly Constituency MLA TS Shanti Kairao Kendra MLA Lauremam Rameswar amasung Chief Minister Birensu Saruyaki MLA Laisio na makha taraduna NRC gumba National Portal Record ama Thamo bahibasi asing ma yelomi sing khangdok nanaba khongthang amani NRC thambada merit amadi demerit animak legani NRC chanahanbana lenga ki policy making da administration streamline tawbada amadi accountability da resource allocation da social service tawbada yamna mating oigani hainasu House da pukhatpani haiki
akhoi gi Manipur gi population gi register record ti laifam thoi wherein details of every person sigumba single window one system that tawbi batardi akhoi gi citizenship we can secure the well-being, we can secure the rights, we can secure the benefit of all social system mayams akhoi scheme mayam pi mayam se aduna honorable speaker sir National Register of Citizenship NRC have se ai sigi resolution se move tawjabni
Lilong Assembly Constituency MLA JDU gi MLA Soriba Abdul Nasir na Fongdokibada NRC asi India gi atai mafam da sanadrabasu Manipur da di tokpa yadi haina center da taksinsi National Security da akaiba laktanaba honaba matam oire karigumba center na NRC asi yaraktaba taragasu Manipur gi oina leibak kandaba yade khanduna policy ama semausi haike Fencing taudraba NRC sanadraba noma soidana Manipurasi migi kutata higani. Lairiba Assembly Constituency Hompugi Oiba Population Data Record ama taubiu lobiu Khangen hengalakpa Assembly Constituency sing matamsana laksilausi hainasu fongdoki. Minister Nong Thoma Birena Thamkibada BJP Lengak asi miyam gi aifanaba thabak kaya tawduna lakli lamdamasida NRC sanahanabagi damakta kumjalisingni kunithoi August manga da famkiba Assembly mifamda loukhre resolution ama Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Vala da thaki haukiba kumjalisingni kolumdoi da center gi maikaidagi Deputy Registrar General Jaspal Singhana Manipur gi Commissioner Home da halakiba Cherolda NRC sanana bahairak pawarul pumba khangjille national level da khanaduna warep launana ba thaurang taukhre warep lauba yaragani haina paudam lakhiba laikhre haiki
This House resolved to reaffirm its previous resolution passed on 5th August 2022 and also to urge the Government of India to implement National Register of Citizens NRC in Manipur in the interest of the state in particular and of the nation in general be adopted.
House ne yabilabanina the resolution this House resolved to reaffirm its previous resolution passed on 5th August 2022 and also to urge the Government of India to implement National Register of Citizens NRC in Manipur in the interest of the state in particular and of the nation in general asi adopt tawre
Manipur ga Myanmar ga lona bangam khai khajinba FMR chana handraba masigi mathakta border guarding force sima shilakpa ga lonena Manipur da NRC sanhalabadi politics tagi potharabasu yari haina Chief Minister N Biren House da fongdokre Fungya Assembly Constituency ki MLA ke laisio na private member resolution wena khananaba House da pukhalaki ba NRC ki matang da House ki leaders oidiba Chief Minister na makha ki wafamasi fongdokladuna Border fencing tauba FMR sanahandaba border ngakliba force sindokpa amasung NRC sanahandri fawbadi aikoina pairiba phamsing asi kana amatada pithokpa yadri aikoina lengak pairaga loisinduna Manipur gi miyam kandaba yade Chief Minister ama oina atopana chaibadagi hendoktu na members singi marakta fawba serak liba asi tabada khangbada wari haina su momon mino kaloina na Chief Minister na fongdoki loina na NPF ki MLA ki laisiona private member resolution oina pukhalaki ba NRC ki wafambo government ki resolution oina onthok pada mahaksu sagali haina fongdoki
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ honorable member punamakta ina yamna aigi nungaiba haitare aduga manipur gi praja gi oina honorable speaker gi kutangda ina nungaiba se fencing sima once tawbikraba FMR sima thingbikraba adugi mathak da border guarding sima silakraba aduga NRC siga tawbiragadi akhoi yare politics sai kotharasu asi tawdri baldi phamje kanamta da pithok pa yade ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯀꯜꯂꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯜꯂꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯆꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯅ ꯆꯩꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯩ ꯆꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯀꯔ ꯁꯔ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯨꯚ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯔ